everyone! In this video, let's explore some reasons why lighting is awesome. First off, we get it. Life is busy. With controlled lighting, whether you're coming or going, staying in or entertaining friends and family, you will always have the perfect lighting with the push of a button. It's time to take your living experiences outside. Enhance the ambiance of decks, fire pits, gardens, and landscaping to get the most out of your outdoor living spaces all year long. Lighting isn't just about on-off and turning a room from dark to light. With technology today, lighting has become art. Every room is a blank canvas, and with colors, shades, and patterns, you can create a masterpiece. So there you have it, 3 reasons why lighting is awesome. See you in the next video.